the third 10-day block. It says here Wang. Oh no, Wang. We have the higher energy of war drums sound. That means it's already very chaotic, very messy. And then in the 10-day block, the third 10-day block, there's a Wang energy, which is from 26 August to 4th September. Let me read out the 教示一灵. It says here, the beast of burden climbs the mountain, exhausted, moving slowly, meeting with a blizzard. The way is blocked, turning back from the halfway point, anxious but self-satisfied. Okay, so I would pay attention to this blizzard because this is something that relates to nature. So we may see, suddenly some parts of certain countries, snow, blizzards, freak weathers, right? Frost or whatever. And that will cause traffic or maybe highway and passageway to be blocked. Okay, so I put as freak weathers lah, freak weathers. Based on the day-to-day, this is what I saw that I put it up. Food and crops crisis, and then a new leader. Like say, based on experience, sometimes when I put up as food and crop crisis, there wasn't that much reports that I can use or I can find to substantiate this part here. But never mind. Anyway, since the energy says this, and then my interpretation also points to food and crop crisis, I'll put in there. Or who knows, maybe after that, much later, a news may comes out that relates back to this 10-day block. Okay, at the same time, I also saw based on the day-to-day energy, there could be a case of a new leader emerging also. So maybe before that, there were a lot of chaos, right? Rebel, coup, and things like that, oppression, whatever. Then suddenly a new leader comes out.